Can't even see the truck.
Behind that big huge hill we just went.
Did I walk with this? This is Debbie.
Just leave it there, Deb. It looks good.
This is Debbie's leg.
Until we get back from
This
medical.
is a cactus in Debbie's.
I can't wait to see what happens to me.
Sam, Shannon and I need help. We'll be coming back on a little bit, man.
We gotta go put a... Is this supposed to be there?
We'll be coming up, but pretty soon there, Sam. Okay, I'll get it where you can. Pull it out! Good to move!
Things in there.
Hey, get the towel out of your bag.
Here's this. Hold on, Deb.
Oh, I know.
Thing hanging off my leg hurts. This was not a boring adventure.
It's better than being in the barracks.
Oh, God.
Stop it. Oh, God.
Oh, no! No! God, no!
You need it up, Debbie.
I'm going to have to pull it really fast.
Oh!
I'm going to do it.
Oh!
Okay. Look at that knot, man. How many were in me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God.
That's pain, baby.
I can't stand much more torture today.